Music. Want to build an app without coding? This is Appgyver. Links in the description. Appgyver is a no-code or low-code platform perfect for creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses. Design and launch mobile and web apps without any coding. Its drag-and-drop interface is intuitive for beginners, yet powerful enough for seasoned developers. Appgyver's Composer Pro lets you visually design pixel-perfect user interfaces. Build sophisticated logic, use pre-built components, or create your own. Connect to databases, APIs, and other services for seamless data integration. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, small business, or enterprise developer, Appgyver offers incredible flexibility. Build for iOS, Android, and the web all from one project. And it's free for individuals and small businesses making under $10 million. The learning curve is manageable, with a supportive community and extensive documentation. While highly complex customizations might be limited, Appgyver meets 95% of app building needs. It's a user-friendly solution that bridges the gap between idea and app. Bring your app to life without coding. Check out the links below and start building today.